Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Best GIS Tutorial. We are going to start new series of Tableau software and we will work on Tableau software now. This is our first video. For beginning we start the new series, and first video will show that how to download Tableau software and how to install Tableau software and desktop for window. Now here you can see, here is the website of the Tableau software. From this website we will download Tableau software. Now go to new tab and here search public.tableau.com. Now I will also give this link in description box. From here, from description box you can also pick the link and download software from this link. So here we go to this interface. Welcome to Tableau Public. Here we will sign up for a Tableau software. Click on this and here we will create an account. So I have already account. I'll just sign in. The account creation is so simple. Just you will put here your name and here your email address. Now here you will give your strong password, or here you will select our country. Now so I am from Pakistan. I want to select Pakistan country. So I agree to term, data, policy and community code. So take this and check here also. I'm not a robot. So click on create my account. Wait for that. So here you can see this interface. Verify your account. Welcome to Tableau Public. Check your email in today. So for now I just skip to the profile. We will verify later. Here you can see that this is my profile which I create in this website. Now just scroll down and here you can see download the free desktop app. Click on this. You can also see this interface for Tableau. Spending a minute. Download Tableau Public. Click on this one and here give the detail. So I just write my name and it is my last name and here is my email address. Now select country, type your same email address on which you make account. So here click on download the app and wait for that. Now here you can see this interface which is thank you for downloading Tableau Desktop Public Edition. If your download doesn't begins automatically, and try again for Mac or for Windows. So I want to download it for Windows. Click on Windows. Now here you can see that the downloading is being on process. After that we will show you how to install Tableau Desktop software. So let's wait for downloading. Now it's almost download, so let's wait for a few seconds. As you can see that the software is completely downloaded. Now go to folder and so now here click on it, open it and we'll install it. How to install Tableau software. First turn off your internet connection. Now open it. Here you can see this interface and welcome to Tableau software. I have read the and accept a term of the license agreement in this and here click on install. Here you can see that the software is installed successfully. Now we will open this software, and further we will work on that, at how to create an interactive dashboard on Tableau software. And wait for that. Now here you can see that the Tableau software is opened. Now in next lecture we will work on it, that how to create an interactive dashboard on Tableau software, and how to upload data like Microsoft Excel text file, JSON file, Microsoft Access PDF file, special file, and statistic file, or any other shape file. How to upload this type of data to Tableau software, and how to create an interactive dashboard on Tableau software. So stay connected with us and wait for our next lecture. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe my channel and share it.